Hi, everybody. I'm Miss Morrow, your art teacher. So, guess what? Some of us, some of the students are back in the school. And so I am teaching in the art classroom. And this is some of your fellow students' artwork from last year and some of the stuff you will be doing this year. So, most of the school is at home like you. And we'll be doing Zoom starting next week. But Miss Morrow just wanted to let me get ready. This is my lab coat, and I'll be shooting my videos with this background. So I miss you guys, but we need to get back on track for Zoom. So this is one of the next videos for the art lesson. We are celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month, and it is from September 15th to October 15th. So periodically you will see lessons that relate to the Hispanic culture. So the first lesson we're going to talk about is the Mexican sun. You might see these outside of people's houses or inside of people's houses or down at the market square, and it represents good luck for the future. Now, I am going to teach you how to make the sun. So for the younger grades, we are just going to make a sun, and we're going to talk about warm colors. Warm colors are three colors: red, orange, and yellow. And you can put some pink in there too if you're a girl. Now, red, orange, and yellow remind you of colors from the fall time. Which way is it? The fall time where the weather gets cold and the leaves turn colors and they die and they fall off. Fall season. Fall season starts this month too. So, warm colors, red, orange, and yellow also symbolizes the fire, energy. Okay. So, for this Mexican sun picture, we're going to be using red, orange, and yellow. You can do background color, a cool color. Let's talk about the cool colors. What are cool colors? Cool colors are green, blues, and purple. So, right here, this is what the bigger kids are doing. Can you tell? Half of the sun is the moon. So here's the sun, there's the moon. The sun has warm colors: red, orange, and yellow. The moon has cool colors: green, blues, and purples. So, everybody, are you ready? Remember what colors we're using. You can draw with a pencil, marker, or crayon. All righty. So, what you need is a white paper. Here's our white paper. And the first step is going to be to fold your paper in half like a book, like this, and make the corners touch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Don't fold it in half like a hot dog. This is the long way. Don't fold it in half that way. Make sure it's like a book. Okay? So once you have your crease, that's going to help you draw your circle. So I'm going to turn my laptop around. You get to see more of the artwork. Here's my easel. I'm going to bring it on closer to me so you can see more of the paper. All right, now Miss Morrow is going to draw with the red crayon. We want to draw half of the circle, a semicircle. We're using our shapes. You know what? Light bulb, let's go over shapes. So on the back of the paper, I want to make sure you know your shapes. So what shape has a sideways straight horizontal line and two slanted diagonal lines? You can draw from the corners and then they touch. If you guessed a triangle, you're right. That's a triangle. Say triangle. All right. What shape has two long straight lines and two short straight lines? If you guessed a rectangle, you are right. Say rectangle. Rectangle. All right. Let's do this shape. What shape is this? If you guessed a circle, you are right. Circle. What shape is a long circle with curvy lines? If you guessed A oval, you're right. So we have triangle, rectangle, circle, oval. What about if all of the sides are straight and they're the same length? Square. All right. The secret to drawing is knowing your lines, your shapes, and sometimes letters. Now let's talk about pattern. We will be talking about pattern today. So if I do this, red, purple, and then red again, and then purple again, and then red again, and then purple again, and I'll stop there. We call that the A, B pattern. See, red, purple, A, B, A, B. So when you repeat colors, it's called a pattern. Can you say pattern? Pattern. Very good. All right. Now, let's look at the Mexican sun. Let's find the shapes that we talked about. What shape is the sun? The sun's face. Let me ask that question again. What shape is the sun's face? A circle. It's a big circle. Guess what? There's another circle in the sun's face. Can you find it? Look, it's a really small circle right there. 1, 2. Can you see the 2 circles? And look at these shapes. There are more shapes in here. Shapes are everywhere. There's an oval, a long circle. It's called an oval. Do you see any more shapes in the Mexican sun? Let's see. There's some rectangles. Do you see any triangles? There are some triangles. You can add any shapes you want. You could make the sun rays rectangles or ovals or circles or triangles. Do you see curvy lines for the nose and the mouth? The mouth looks like a banana. All right, you guys, I think you are ready. All right, so that was our practice paper. Everybody say, let's get down to art. All right, let's go. So I'm gonna just move it down a little bit. All right, you guys, so you have your folded paper. Your practice shapes are on the other side of your pattern. All right, so now, remember, we're coloring with red, orange, and yellow. So I'm gonna take the darkest color, red, and I am gonna turn my paper this way, and this should help me draw my circle. Okay, I'm making my curvy line, you guys. What does that look like? A rainbow. Then I want you to flip it over and draw another rainbow line. Now we have our circle. And if you mess up, then you can just try to fix it a little bit. Like I messed up right there. In art, we make mistakes all the time. So it is okay if you make a mistake. What did Dory say in Finding Nemo? Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. All right. Now we need to draw the sun rays. That's when the sun is shining and it's so bright. You see a bright sun shining all around it. The sunlight that's shining all around it are the sun rays. That's where you make shapes. So I made a pattern. Are you going to make a pattern? Let's see. What if we draw rectangle? What should we do next? What if we do, should we curve it? What if we do an oval and then a rectangle and then an oval and then a rectangle and then an oval and then a rectangle? Or you can do the triangle, or you could just do all rectangles. Making your shapes for the sun rays and making them stick out. It's your choice. It's your design. You are the artist. As long as you have some long shapes sticking out from the sun, then it will look like the sun rays. And Miss Morrow will be happy. All right, I'm running out of room over here. It's okay. You can draw to the edge of the paper. Remember, whatever shapes you do, make a pattern. Oh, look, just in time to squeeze in an oval. Whew, my arm is tired. So there's my sun rays going all the way around. Remember, when you go all the way around, you guys can do different shapes. Remember, you don't have to copy off Miss Morrow. You can do rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, or you can do oval, rectangle. It's up to you. All right, now we need the eyes. We have two eyes, nose, and mouth. Do you remember the shapes? Let's look again, everybody. We need to draw two ovals. I call them football ovals, and two baseball circles inside, not outside. See, Miss Morrow has a football oval and a baseball circle for my eyes. All right, are you ready? I'm going to turn my paper sideways. Don't forget to do that. All right, so here we go. Here's the football oval. Try to make it the same size. Here's the baseball circle. When things are the same on both sides, and you have a line down the middle, it's the same on both sides, that means it has symmetry. Can you say symmetry? Symmetry. Good job. All right, now let's do the curvy line for the nose. See? Curvy line on your nose. Does the nose go up here? No. Does the nose go down here? No, that's where your mouth goes. The nose is in the middle. Here's the middle. So this is the top, this is the middle, this is the bottom. What goes at the bottom? The mouth. The sun is happy and bright, so we're going to do a curvy smiley face line. Remember how Ms. Ross said we're going to make it like a banana? So we're going to do two banana smiley face lines. So that's one. Then I do another one. See? Easy. Your turn. I can't wait to see your picture. And guess what? That's your sun. That's your Mexican sun. Now all you have to do is color. What colors are you gonna use? Well, I suggest yellow for the sun. The sun is really big, so you're gonna have to color with long shading lines. Try to make it neat. If you mess up, it's okay. You just keep trying. Just keep trying. See how I'm coloring with long lines close together? If your arm gets tired like mine, you just kind of shake it. Because this is a lot of space to color. All right, let's see. Okay, so we have that colored in. Now, it's time to do our pattern, everybody. Here's my orange. Where's my red? They're going to be friends. Which one should I do orange and which one should I do red? I don't know. You choose. You guys are the boss of your paper. You're the artist. Okay, here we go. I guess I'll do my rectangles red. Skip a space, go to the next one. Skip a space, next one. And you can come back and touch them up. Skip a space. Why is Miss Morrow skipping a space, everybody? Because I'm making a pattern. See, look. The orange is going to go in between it. Which side do I want to color with? I have triangle crayons. Isn't that neat? Alrighty, so see? Red, orange. Miss Morrow made a pattern. All right, you guys. So you're going to keep up your pattern, color your eyes, and I'm going to stop there because I think you guys get the idea now. That is your Mexican sun. We talked about patterns, A, B patterns. We talked about lines and shapes. We talked about the Mexican culture because we are celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. I hope you have fun. Bye.